Car Shipping Bowling Green, Kentucky Premium Auto Transport. The third most populated city in Kentucky, Bowling Green is situated in Warren County and is home to roughly 58,000 people. It was once a regional capital of the Confederate government in this state during the Civil War, and is steeped in Southern history. When you are looking to book Bowling Green car transport services, keep a few key tips in mind. Disable your car alarm. This might seem like a fairly insignificant task when it comes to everything that needs to be done to get your car ready for transport. However, there may be nothing more irritating to the transport operator than an alarm that continues to malfunction during transport. Ask for proof of insurance. It isn't enough for a company to say that they have it. Ask to see a copy of the policy so that you know your vehicle is covered. Inform your own insurance company of your transport order. This way, should you find that you need to file a claim, your company stands ready with the proper information to do so. Explain what company you are working with, who your contact is with the company, and where your car is being transported to and from. We're glad you watched this video and hope you make a good decision when choosing a car shipping firm. Call us now at 888-230-9116 to book your shipment with us.